Hey youngsters! Okay, today we're gonna make something very simple, but a nice cookout side dish. I don't even know if you consider it a side dish, but deviled eggs. Let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna make this the very easy way to give you that nice, easy peel. The shell will peel off very easily. We're gonna use the Instapot, okay? So I have a basket here and I have 11 eggs, which is gonna yield to 22 deviled eggs, and that's the size of my deviled egg holder. So you just place this right into the Instapot. Add 1 cup of water. Pour it directly in. Okay, so we are going to press pressure cook. Mine is already set on 2 minutes. So what it's gonna do, you're gonna let this cook for 2 minutes, right? So make sure that your seal is on. Finish cooking for 2 minutes. You're gonna let it naturally release the steam for 12 minutes, all right? So let's get this going. Take off, keep warm, and start. And we'll be back. Okay, so it has ended. Now we're gonna start a timer for 12 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
Good morning, Lynn. 12 minutes, starting now.
And this will naturally release the steam. Okay, the timer has stopped. Be very careful when taking off the top. So you want to be careful, just place it in the cold water, a couple at a time. I just put a few ice cubes in there. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to just remove one of the shells. You just tap, tap, roll. And it peels right off. Nothing sticking, nothing breaking the egg. There you have it. So I'm gonna peel these and we'll come back and make the deviled egg. Okay, so you're gonna need some type of holder or pan to put your eggs in. Now, this is for the egg yolks, what we'll make the filling with. So I just take this, cut it straight in the middle, scoop it out. And place it in the egg holder like that. I'm gonna complete these and come back. Okay, so I have all the yolks removed, and I'm just going to start by, breaking them up. All right, so I use Duke's mayo. I have here some chopped red onions. I have sweet relish. If you use sweet relish, you will not have to use sugar. I'm going to add some black pepper. And a little bit of salt. You start with a little salt, then you can always add more if needed. And you give that a good mix. Taste test. Absolutely perfect. I don't need to add anything. I'm going to place this in a piping bag and show you what I do. Okay, I just twist it and I'm going to cut the tip off. All right, and you just press it on in.